Cool. And we got our pizza man. Police station. There we go. And I don't want to fight the police if I don't have to. I got enough money, hopefully, to just pay them up front. Okay, so that's for my project I'm getting added for right now. Well, I'm not getting added, but, you know, Discord's letting me know that things are going on. Yo. Hey kids, play here. Well, actually I just saved, so we should be fine if I do this. Nah. I didn't do anything wrong. I did nothing wrong.
One side.
There's something funny about him.
Look out!
Officer, you see this? Officer, you are not helping me. Officer, I'm gonna have to take the law into my own hands real quick. After I eat some pizza. Oh shit. Was it worth it? I guess it was.
I gotta find more of that good stuff.
Alright, is this the police station? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing?
Get down if you don't want to die.
Alright, I gotta really learn how to throw things. Inventory. Drop. All I'm looking for is if this is the police station. I didn't do anything. Leave me alone. I'm trying to pay a ticket, dude. Is this the police station? That's what I'm looking for. Beware dog. Parcel center. And we got Shadow Rope and Postal Girl. Why? I'm literally just looking for the officer to say I'm sorry. We have one. Ooh, some very heavy-duty armor, which is gonna be very necessary, seeing that people just want to kill me all the time, even though I'm trying to do the right thing here, man. Bates Hotel. Leave me alone. Dog, bro, I'm...
Oh my god. Shit. Ow!
I'm not having fun here. I am going to put this dog out, I think, and I don't want to.
I gotta find more of that good stuff.
We're going to be very calm. But we can't get more. That is A-okay. We are hanging out with an officer. You know what? How you doing, buddy? I'll leave you alone. Looking for my room. Is this my room? Not. Oh. This is. That bugged out. I don't know if you guys noticed that, but it definitely bugged out. Not that that's an issue. It's an old game. I understand. Antifa. Can you... Uh-oh. Thank you. I was about to say, this is going to become very uncomfortable. Come on. Yeah, we're going to have to let this calm down. Because, you know, I'm not trying to get cuffed when I'm trying to pay off the officers of the law, you know? I wish there was a faster way to... let's see. Yeah, that's not even important stuff, dude. Why are you asking? Alright, let's see. Money. Yeah. I don't know how much it's going to cost for this ticket. Hopefully. A sniper rifle. Huh. You know, that's not how I want that to go at all. So we're gonna heal up.
I feel better off.
And we're gonna save on a completely different day for that. Because that was just some crap. Ah, shit. Come on.
That's the ticket.
Alright, now where are... Oh, fuck. That's not what I meant to do. God fucking bitch, damn it.
Beat a baby.
Okay. I'm guessing this is gonna get me in trouble if I actually go in here. But we just had a bad save, so... Hey, that's me. Whoa. It's a gada da vida da brota cachuba da. Come on. How you doing? Unless you're... Can I just not interact with them at this time? I guess I gotta wait for my ass to sober up. How much money do we got? How much are we looking at? 485? Hopefully that's enough. How you doing? Perp and view, that's not what we're looking for. Ah, get me out of here. So we're just gonna let ourselves cool off real quick. We thought we were in such a high speed area that they won't even recognize us. Alright, let's see. Any other health things we can do right now? What's this again? I can't even use whatever this is, so that's useless. No you don't, no you don't, no you don't, no you don't, no you don't. Leave me alone, leave me alone. I am down. You can't even see how down I am. I'm so down with the sickness, the thickness, and everything else that you saying I'm not down is just an insult to me. That's like calling me whack. And sister, let me tell you, you don't call me whack. You don't call anyone whack. You don't call any of my people whack. None of it. Got it? Understood? Good. Oh, fuck me. Load game. So... Was it the autosave? May have been the autosave. Let's see if this works. Okay. So technically, yes, that did work. Are you... There we go. So we're gonna wait for all that shenanigans to calm down. We're gonna have our cash ready. And we have to wait for it to completely disappear. There we go.
Get him!
What? Okay. Huh. I'm going in before they decide that I'm going to be a perp too. Let me just do my thing, let me do my thing, and then you guys can go about your silly business.
Hi there.
Hey,
I'm here to pay for this trumped-up addition to some highway patrolman's retirement fund.
that'll be $300.
Fuck you.
I'm sorry.
So, can I just... Don't tell me. Don't tell me I just lost my... I just lost my money. Alright, we're just gonna load that again because, ugh. Of course.
Hi there.
Alright, let's do this right.
I'm here to pay for this trumped-up addition to some highway patrolman's retirement fund.
That'll be $300.
Shit.
And let that be a lesson to you, Mr. the Dude. learn how to drive.
Rude. But alright.
And another one bites the dust.
You know what? Separate save? Screw it. What happens when we go full postal?
Say,
Shit.
I'm pretty good at this.
Guess I better find the drop box.
Well, let's take everything in here.
Stop running!
We don't want them knowing that we're coming. Can't believe it. At least we get to view the police station. Why is there a delay? You had fast food on you? That's tripping me out. I don't like it.
Like that.
Alright, there we go. Whew. I didn't know that was an achievement. It's a fun one. Yeah, we don't want... You know, did we recuperate basically all the funds we lost?
Definitely. I gotta find more of that good stuff.
We basically did. We're like maybe less than $100 off. Is this the last one? No, there's another one. How many interrogation rooms are there? Cool, let's see. Oh. Sorry, didn't mean to brain you, but I'll also kind of need to brain you. Okay, so that's how you would do it. You would have to walk in or sneak in. Armory and uniform, no guns for you. Well, how do I get a uniform then, huh? Let's see. So we also didn't check out this side. Oh no, we did. So let's see. We checked out everything this way. Come on. You know you want to. There we go. That should not have worked, but let's go. So they say exit, but this is a bathroom. What kind of optical illusion are they going for here? Let's go upstairs. See what else we got going on in this police station. Guessing we can be thrown in here if we let ourselves actually get arrested. This definitely feels like something's supposed to be hidden there, or it's supposed to be like a hiding spot for, you know, having this high status I have right now. But not gonna be using it ever. We got a lot of fish finder, but no reason to ever use it.
Suspect sighted.
What? I have no idea what you're talking about, sir.
Got to stop.
Mommy probably thinks you're not a nice person.
Damn. I don't want to load the most recent one. I think we were doing just fine before we decided to go full postal on these police officers. So we're just gonna... Alright. So that's taken care of. I don't know why there needs to be a loading zone for that, but... whatever. I didn't make the game. Let's see where we're supposed to be going next. So we gotta follow this road, the yellow brick road. Hey kids, your parents are going to die. Make sure they're prepared with a... What the fuck? Alright, taking this in my own hands.
CT rocket activated.
Alright, well, you're chasing me out of town, I get
Now I
it.
can't feel my legs.
Damn. Is it gonna... Yep, alright, there we go. Which is also some bullshit, because I wasn't doing anything wrong.
Fuck.
Oh. There we go. There we go. See, I didn't do anything wrong. We are not looking for the Lucky Ganesh, are we? I don't think so. So if we go through here, then we have to take immediate left. Yeah, that might be actually the way to play to go. Yeah, I'm trying to think what else to really talk about besides... well, in life, there's actually not a lot to talk about right now. Hopefully I went the right way. We're not looking for the Christmas trees or the police station. Nice turd. Nice turd, brother. Oh my god. Let's see, so we are going the opposite way right now. So are we supposed to be going this way then? Yes, we are. So we're supposed to be going through the crop circle tunnel. Wait, this is just where we fucking came from. I guess not. One day I'll be good at this game. Just kidding, it won't happen. One day I might understand what's going on in this game. That may happen. But by the time that probably happens, we're probably going to be wrapping up this game. So, again, at this point, if you've been watching me for even a remote little bit of time, you already know not to expect anything highfalutin.
Fuck you.
Nope. We're in the ghetto, not anymore. Why I did it that way? Good question. I wish I can give you an honest answer, but I can't. Besides just the words, it felt right. Now, if you know... Are you...
Get out! Now!
How did I get in here?
That's it. You're under arrest.
Come on.
Stop or I'll shoot!
I'm trying to get out of here. What do you want from me? I don't know how I even got teleported here. Huh? Huh? Shut up about being a dumb blonde cunt and just let me go. Okay? Don't worry. I am the tree. That... that should not have worked at all, and somehow that worked. Alright, no, let's just keep running. We're gonna be running for these hills, Lenny. And we're going the wrong way. Cool, cool, cool. So, shit. I was gonna see if we can parkour up and over, but it looks like right now that is not a viable solution. Look at the man. You know what? You're just some, like, probably, like, woke little bitch. Complaining about the man is doing it down. The man. Shut up. It's more that you're incompetent. Aw, cool. Finally succeeding at some parkour in this game. 20? 20 what? Alright, so let's just keep following this street down. If you know what I mean, you know what I mean. Let's see. Is there anything good here? Let's see. If I press enter... Let's see. Happy's Pride. We basically have money for whatever we want. But I don't think there's anything that we really need at this point, so we're not going to buy anything. But that is cool to have, in case we have a day where we lose everything. Nothing to see here or talk about here, folks. Alright? He's just spontaneously combustive. Anyone asks. Unless you want a problem with the dude. Come on. Come on. Are you not gonna let me up? Cool, I guess we're not allowed up there. Alright, let's see which way we're supposed to be going. Whoa, is that hedge clippers? Hedge clippers. Don't mind us, we're just going ahead doing our thing. Just doing our thing, doing our thing. We got 12 hit points left. 12 beating organs left in our entire body. Let's see. This kind of looks like the right way to go, so we're going to try it. Alright. I love how dumb the SWAT are. Like, that's definitely could not be realistic. Oh boy.
Ooh, edged weapon. Someone could lose a limb. Yeah.
Yeah! If you know what I mean. Don't mind me, don't mind me. I'm just going about my business. Don't mind me at all. Don't mind me, don't mind me. Nope. You do not have the scumbag. Whatever scumbag you are thinking about, you have the wrong guy. I can promise you. Oh. Alright. We should be safe for a little while we figure out. So we're actually on the opposite side of the napalm factory. So if we're that close, we should... Oh, is that health? That's health. That's health. We finally...
That's the stuff.
That is the stuff. You are right, dude. Also, I don't know what kind of game warfare is going on, but I sure do not want to be a part of it while I'm so low. Oh, it's a terrorist.
Stop or I'll shoot!
Are you talking to me? Officer, I'm going to be helping you. I'm dealing with the terrorists.
Today's the first day of the end of your lives.
Damn! After I just did all that. Alright, well... Let's, you know, have us relax, calm down first. So, go ahead, let me know how you've been doing. In the comments. Also, let's see what else we can talk about. Boop-a-boop-a-boo. You want? Let me know what kind of game you would be excited to see me tackle. I don't know if I'll be able to do it because I have a long list, but who knows? Maybe if it's something that I plan on playing and I see people want me to play it, I can boost up the process of me actually of when I play it. No you don't. No you don't. No you don't. Oh, god damn it. God damn it. God damn it. God damn it. No, no, no. No you don't. I'm not doing anything. Alright. Are we going the right way? No, we're not. We're going the opposite way, so we have to go this way. Right? Don't worry. Yeah, there, buddy. What you trying to do? This looks like some backroom shit.
Get out, you freak!
Fuck
Find the
you.
cops.
Fuck
Hey,
you.
Who are you? Hell no!
I thought you wanted to call the cops.
You probably think I'm not a nice person.
Alright, so we finally got some health. So we're just gonna go ahead
I gotta find. I definitely
munch
need more
that
of
right
that.
now. So we might be on the right track. I don't really know, but we did find like a game.
That's the ticket.
Yeah, you run while I pee on you, boy. You run.
Calling the cops!
felt good, man. That felt really good, man. You had to go ahead and kill that man, dude. That felt good. Now, let's see. Do we spy any more health with our little eyes? Because if we did, that'd be very, very helpful. Yeah, we don't care about your head.
Oh, yeah.
I am not seeing that. Stop right there.
You better not be talking to me, little boy.
Drop it, asshole.
Oh god, he's trying to shoot at me. We don't have enough health to survive this. But we got some pizza. We got some more health. Hey, oh, come on, come on, come on, come on.
Definitely need more of that.
There we go. We did it. We did it. We did it. Now we're gonna quickly swerve on this way. Swerve, swerve. Save after all that swerving. You know what? We'll do above the burbs. And now let's take a look at where we're at. I can't tell if this is going the right way or not. But we killed some terrorists, so that's always a good sign.
I gotta find more of that good stuff.
Let's see. Napalm. Okay, so we are in the right spot, I guess. What was the point of this?
Get the hell out of here, you lunatic. Yeah, fuck him up.
Yeah, come on. Come on. You ain't so tough now, bitch. Bitch, you ain't so tough. Come on, fight me. Fight me. That's what I thought. Anyone else want some? Want some? Come get some. You know what? Because we have so many cats here, and we have a lot of cats here, when life gives you cats,
Here's your tax relief.
the fact that this cat is still alive is very impressive. Come on. Come on, kitty. Well, he didn't want to come with me voluntarily. What else was I supposed to do? Just let him live? Again, I'm telling you, these cats... There we go. Okay, see? That one? No problem.
I gotta find more of that
We
good
did
stuff.
it! Let's go! Oh my god, that is so much better. Holy shit. Dinner. So that's a lie. Okay, so it looks like we have to go this way. You know what? Let's pull up the map, see if we're even doing what's right here. Finally, we made it to the napalm factory. But which one is the napalm factory? How you doing? Hey, look, it's a former friendly dev. Nondescript warehouse? No. Or is it? Let's take a look. If we can go inside. Huh. You know, this game lets you do so much exploring that I love it, but also you can easily get lost in all the exploring. Money. Yeah, yeah, got more cash money coming my way. What is this?
That's the stuff.
There we go. You're right. That is the stuff. Oh, how cute. How cute. You want to play a game with me? Oh, amazing. Alright, we were never here. Come on, put it away. There we go. So nondescript warehouse was not what we were looking for. Unless we just completely missed something about it. But I don't think we did. So let's just go ahead. That's where we came in from. This is a really weird place. Employees only. This entire thing is employees only. This looks like a napalm plant, but let's take a look. Whoa, someone really had a lot of Taco Bell and White Castle. Yes, I'm not looking to be sponsored by either or, because I think they are both disgusting. Ugh. Makes my stomach just queasy thinking about eating either of those places. Okay, so what is here? If anything of, you know, usefulness. I mean, are we even close to, like, where we're supposed to be going? No, we were going the exact wrong way. So we're going to take this cat. We're going to head back. Because, yeah, we are going the wrong way. Because there's so much exploring to do, but I think we can also do this on a Friday, or a Saturday, or a Sunday. What do you... You don't work here either. Look, there's not a single employee here. So you can't tell me that I'm not an employee because you don't know if I'm an employee. Alright. But let's go ahead and let's save real quick.